Hi, this is Kevin from Refix Network. After a long time, we are organizing a Friday free class on this Friday. That's on the 5th June 2020. It will be at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, IST 9 p.m. And anyone can join. The class language will be English. Actually, I'm taking classes in English, Hindi, Tamil, and Malayalam also. But this is a global class. Anyone from the world can join this class. So the class language will be in English. And the topic we are going to discuss in this, the basic requirements of a PCH, or you can call it an SOC, and the IO controller, the starting initial stages like the power button and few other signals like RSM reset, NBS switch on, and what are the basic requirements for an IO controller for the power button and for the resume reset, and all those things we are going to discuss in this session. The duration will be around an hour or maybe more than an hour, and you can join the class by using the software free conference call. The software link is in the description, and the meeting ID is also in the description. I will show you how the software download and install and how it works, everything. Let's see. Come back to my desktop. Alright, just go to free conference call. Meeting page now. Yeah, now it is global India. No. Okay. Here you can find the downloads. Click on downloads and download according to your platform, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, or it is available for Android and iOS also. You can download from App Store or iOS app features, App Store. So just click on download and it will download, and install it as usual, installing like a normal app. After installation, you just open the free conference call and click on join, because you are going to join and I'm going to host. So you just click on the join and write your name here. For example, I will write here as Kevin. And the email address kevin@refixnetwork.com, and the meeting ID. This is the important thing. Whatever you want to give, name and the email, doesn't matter. The email is also optional, and the name you can give your own name, or if you want to join the class, like I don't want to reveal my name, so you can join XYZ, doesn't matter, I don't care who you are, so you can join. Alright, and the important thing is the meeting ID. This should be proper, and this is all in small letter, Refix Network _Phoenix, and click on join. So first, when you click on join, it will ask to select the audio, join with computer audio. You should click on join with computer audio. Okay, so that's it. When I will be online and when I share my screen, you can see my screen here. Okay, my screen over here, and that's it. You can full screen it. Okay, so the meeting ID is important, and the time is Indian Standard Time, 9 p.m. So have a good day, guys. See you there.